Alright, here's the current plan. This switch will go to an accent light. This one will go to the speaker that's pre-resistored for 3.7 volts. This is the LED, same one we've been using in the Prophecy build. I got to rewire the battery. And this would be the new chassis. These are the parts. This is the new speaker, which will be battle rigged, meaning it could be yanked off or whatever if it's damaged and need to be replaced. And this is the old chassis for the Crystal Focus Prophecy build that we were using. Nothing's wrong with it, still a good speaker in there. Just gonna try and cut down a bit on weight and volume in the Saber itself. So there you go. There's all the junk. Part 1. Alright, this is a wiring test and a bridge repair test. Let's just hope that I took care of that bridge. Connecting the battery, you should hear the boot up.
I've come to put an end to you.
That's good. I didn't see if the switch lit up when that happened. That looks good. Got a color missing. Alright, let's figure that out. Okay, part 3. This will be in-hilt ignition wiring test. The card is in, the battery's plugged, the boot sound loaded. So looking good so far. Was confused about this blue wire. Forgot why I made that blue, but looks like it's all good so far. Here we go. Looks good. Shush. Color change is good. Hey Jordan. Alright. That looks good.
Sound bank selection.
Skywalk. Forgive me. Hero. Revolt. Shadow. Gundam Fighter. The Overhauling Crucible.
Yeah, we are good. All that's left is assembling the chassis, mounting the speaker, and tidying up the wiring.
Audio player.
see me now, lying in the mess that you left when you tore this place down. And you can't hear these cries.
All right.
Sound bank selection.
Shadows. Shadows.
So, all right. So what you're looking at is my kid's new switch, which was damaged by Gogurt, and it is now wired to a new 28mm speaker, and it's a 3-watt 4-ohm speaker. Usually it's a 2-watt 8-ohm speaker. So there isn't a chassis or mount that exists for this speaker yet, so it's taped on, combat fix. Had to make a new chassis once again for my kid's Prophecy. Less volume. About 3.5 inches, just under 3.5 inches, which is the depth of most Ultra Sabers. And this is now ready to abuse.
Sound bank selection.
Shadows.
It is a loudspeaker.
Audio player.
It's time for some magic. My kids love this. All right, hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.